Register for this free online workshop. How to create e-commerce store, sales funnel, and chatbot flows that sells on autopilot. In this 3-day workshop, I will teach you how to create your own e-commerce store sales funnel, chatbot, and marketing automation that helps sell more products or services on autopilot, without previous experience. What you will discover in this 3-day workshop: Day 1, you will learn how to design your own e-commerce store to sell your products, services, and collect payment without any tech or web design experience. How to accept payment on your e-commerce store. How to use social commerce tools to grow your sales. How to get started with SalesUltimo app for free. Day 2, you will discover how to set up Facebook Messenger and Instagram DM chatbot using Drag and Drop Builder. How to set up sales funnels that sell on autopilot. How to set up marketing automation for your business or clients. How to generate leads and convert them to customers on autopilot. How to respond to all inboxes on autopilot without keeping your prospective buyers waiting. Day 3, you will discover how to set up comment auto reply and convert those who drop comments on your post or ads to customers. How to respond to all comments on autopilot without keeping your prospective buyers waiting. That's not all, there will also be free follow-up training and mentorship on bot marketing and social commerce after this 3 days workshop. Don't worry, no masterclass or any course to buy after the training. After this amazing 3-day workshop, you will be able to set up your own e-commerce store, sales funnels, chatbot, generate leads, nurture the leads and convert them to repeat customers on autopilot. You will be able to set up chatbots that engage your prospects, turn them into life-changing leads, or offer support to existing customers on autopilot. You will be able to set up a marketing bot that responds to your messages and DMs and converts them to sales even while you are away or sleeping. I will also share with you how to get backdoor lifetime access offer to SalesUltimo. These are life-changing lectures and opportunities for businesses that must not be missed. Who is this workshop for? Online vendors, digital marketers, importers, product creators, e-commerce experts, affiliate marketers, coaches, agency owners, freelancers, realtors, consultants, and more. Join the next workshop now.